Who do the Jets play? They play the Los Angeles Rams. And what are LA famous for? They're famous for their street dogs. And guess what we're making today? Every day cooking. Dad cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, the New York Jets are playing the Los Angeles Rams, right? And in LA, they sell their hot dogs wrapped in bacon. That's what their street dog is. So that's what we're making today. We're making a Los Angeles hot dog. So guys, I'm gonna chop all this stuff up here and I'll bring you right back. All right, guys, so we got everything all chopped up, right? Because this is going to go together pretty quickly. So we want to have everything done already. Okay, so let's get to the pan. All right, guys, our pan is heated up. I'm just going to go in with the onions first. I'm going to caramelize these down really good. All right, guys, so our onions are about halfway now, right? Halfway done. It's starting to get a little brown, right? They're limp, right? I'm gonna go in with our peppers. And guys, just to help this along a little bit, it's taking forever, I'm gonna go in with some water. And I'm just gonna put this top on top. And let that steam up for a minute. All right, guys, it's been like a minute or so. Guys, I'll bring you back when this is done. Guys, this is about as far as I'm going to take it with the vegetables. They're not limp yet, but they're soft. You know, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take them, put them in this pan here, and have it on a very low heat. So, kind of like if you had a Blackstone. You know, these would be off to the side. All right, guys. It's time to start to wrap these up. I'm just going to continue around the whole entire hot dog. And hopefully we end on the same side that we began. So the end is here and the other end is here. So we put it down in the pan like that. All right, guys, so we got our ends, one end here, one end here. We're going to put that down in the pan. Guys, we're going to cook this up and I'll bring you right back. Guys, these are done. Let's plate them up. Look at that, guys. All right, guys, so we're going to keep this as traditional as possible, right? So you go down. Let's just take a look. Let's just admire that, guys. This probably would be good just like this for me. With some mustard, just like this. But we're going to go down with a little bit of mayonnaise. And then go down with a little bit of ketchup. A little bit of mustard. Then down with our onions and peppers. All right. All right, guys, let's do a flyover. And this is dinner. I mean, this is lunch, guys. This is lunch. Guys, I wasn't even recording. But I took a bite out of this sucker. Now I'm going back in for some more, right? But this time I put avocado and I got our pickled jalapeno. I'm putting that right in between there, guys. And we're going in for a bite. We're going in for a big bite. Look at the jalapeno. The pickled jalapeno. The avocado, the onions, the peppers. Guys, kind of reminds me a little bit of a cheesesteak. A little hot dog, almost, right? Guys, please give us a like and a subscribe. Look at this. Look at this. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking. Guys, like and subscribe.